Hey guys, this is Rob, and we're going to be doing the upgrade landing skids for the Hubsan H501S. These are them. They're made by C-Jump. They're about $7 on Amazon. Comes with a screw kit. They need to be a little bit longer for the landing skids. And it comes with little rubberized pads. I imagine you can probably put those right on the bottom of your skids so you can land on pavement. It'll kind of grab a little bit. I'm going to start right off. Just remove the old screws on the Hubsan. They're going to be just a little ways out on the arms. I've already got this one loose, so it should come right out. It's going to be pretty simple. Match them up. They're going to have markings on them left and right. You'll see them in about that location right there. This one's going to take a right, and I can tell that because the screw hole is going to be a little off center than normal. Grab one of our longer screws. It's included in the kit. This upgrade to the Hubsan is going to let you land in snow without hitting your propellers off any hard ice. And that kind of thing. It's something that's necessary for me because I fly it up here. We're in northern Maine. We get a lot of snow and a lot of ice. And when I bring it in, sometimes I'll drop one foot into a hole and it'll catch a blade on the side of the ice. It doesn't really hurt the aircraft visually, but you never know what it's going to do to a motor. Just give that just a little bit. You don't want to tighten screws down too hard into plastic. Just kind of be cautious as you're putting them on so that you don't strip your threads out. This is one of those upgrades that if you own a Hubsan and you've invested into a Hubsan, you may as well have the landing skids. It's quick, it's easy, anybody can do it, and it's fairly cheap. You really can't beat the Amazon price right now. The C-Jump, they're offering them for $7. And they feel pretty sturdy. They're on there tight. Okay. And there you have it. The Hubsan H501S X4 in black with the gold upgraded skids. I think it looks pretty good. We'll see how it flies. Maybe I'll post a video on that too. We'll see. Alright, 5 minutes to install, guys. $7. I'd say it's worth it.